Bus L25. This is one of their special needs buses from Iberville Parish. So you just press the button, flip it like this, and the door slams shut. I don't think it'll work. I highly doubt it'll work. It's a wheelchair bus. It's got seat belts on it. A lot of the buses don't have seat belts because the Louisiana legislature doesn't have funding for them. So that's the reason why. There's your reset button back there. Windows. What's the mileage on this baby? 58,000 miles. Alright, guys. That'll be the last bus for today. See y'all later.